How do I delete Messenger messages permanently?
Hello there. Today, we're going to cover a simple yet essential topic: how to delete Messenger messages permanently. If you've ever wanted to remove old or unwanted messages from your Facebook Messenger for good, this video is for you.
Why would you want to delete Messenger messages?
At some point, we all may want to clear out old or unwanted conversations from our Messenger account. This can be for privacy reasons, for organizing your conversations, or simply to free up some space on your device. The great news is, deleting messages from Messenger is pretty simple, and we're going to guide you through it step by step.
How to delete individual messages?
The first method we're going to cover is deleting individual messages. Here's how you can do it. 1. Open your Facebook Messenger app. 2. Navigate to the conversation containing the message you want to delete. 3. Long press on the specific message you want to delete. 4. From the options that appear, tap on Remove. 5. You'll then be asked whether you want to Remove for You or Remove for Everyone. Selecting Remove for You will delete the message from your view, but others in the conversation can still see it. If you choose Remove for Everyone, the message will be deleted for all participants in the conversation. 6. Confirm your choice and voila! Your message is deleted.
How to delete whole conversations?
But what if you want to delete a whole conversation? Here's how. 1. Open your Facebook Messenger app. 2. Find the conversation you want to delete on the main screen. 3. Swipe left on the conversation for iOS or long press on the conversation for Android. 4. A few options will appear. Tap Delete. 5. You'll be asked to confirm if you want to delete the conversation. Confirm your choice. Remember, this will delete the entire conversation history, so make sure it's what you really want to do. And there you have it. A straightforward guide on how to delete individual messages and entire conversations from Facebook Messenger. We hope this video has been helpful, and remember, you're in control of your Messenger. Feel free to clean up and organize your messages as you see fit. Thank you for watching, and happy messaging!